Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. In this video I'm going to share some exciting information regarding the usage of artificial intelligence in creating images. In fact, in this video I'm going to share with you all the steps through which you can convert your imaginations into real-time images by using AI. The most amazing thing about this tool is it's totally free. So without wasting any time, I am directly taking you to that particular AI tool. In order to access this tool, you need to have the browser of Microsoft Edge. It's same like as you are using Google Chrome or Mozilla or other browsers. But in order to access this particular AI tool, you need to have the browser of Microsoft Edge. But if you do not have this browser, you can simply uh, type in your Google Microsoft Edge and search. So this is the first website you can see, and here you can simply click download. Here you can see you can download Microsoft Edge for all kind of devices. If you have the Windows, you have iPhone, you have Android, and you can use Microsoft Edge in all your devices. So if you are using the Windows, you can simply click this first option and it will be downloaded. But I already have this browser, so I'm directly opening my Microsoft Edge browser. This is the browser of Microsoft Edge, and here you can search anything. Like I have just put artificial intelligence, but you can write anything and just search. Once you search it, here you will see so many options. Like first one is search, then chat, school, news, images, and so on. So we will click this second option of chat. So once you will click chat, it will take you to this page, and here you can see three main options. First one is more creative, then more balanced, and finally more precise. So in order to create images, you will need to click this first option of more creative. But if you have any other question and you want to have the answers using AI, then you can select other two options as well. But in order to create the images, you will need to click this first option of more creative. For example, I have written create an image related with management in organizations. If I am preparing my slides which I need to present in the class, but I am looking for an image that should be added in those slides, so I'm just asking this AI tool to create an image that should have something related with the management in organizations, and press this arrow. We will have to wait for some time, and here you can see your image is being created by AI. See, it has created some images that are relevant with management in organization. The amazing thing is these images are not available anywhere on internet, and this AI tool has created these images based on my instructions. Here I can make some changes in these images. For example, if I want to have more people in the images, or I want to change the color scheme, or if I want to make it more realistic, let's just try the first one, add more people to the images. So it will process again, and see, they have added more people in the images. If I am happy with any particular image, I will click it, and I can share, I can save this image, and I can also download this image so that I can use these images in my slides. This particular tool is not limited to the pictures that are relevant with the education. You can also ask this particular tool to create some amazing pictures which you are actually imagining in your mind. For instance, I'm asking this tool, I have written create an image in which a sun and rain. Press enter and I will have to wait. Look, this tool has created 4 images for me in which there is a sun and there is a raining. For instance, I'm selecting this one, and I can share, I can save, and I can download this image. If I want to add something more in it, for example, if I want to add a rainbow, I can click this. But if I want to make the sun bigger, I can click this one. And we can also ask this tool to add something more as well in this image. For example, I want to see cat in this image. Look how amazing it is. This AI tool has created a picture in which there is a sun and there is a rain, and it has also added a cat. So I can further ask this to make the cat look happy, and if you have something more in your mind, you can also ask this AI tool to create that image. So in fact, by using this tool, you can actually convert your imaginations into real-time images. This was really amazing. This was really an exciting experience for me, and I hope when you will try this tool, you will find the same excitement. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.